your biggest enemy. You might think everything's falling apart, misunderstood by friends and loving family. Let me tell you one thing I know. You're not alone on that highway of loneliness. So get up, stand up, get up now and make a change. Life is more precious, yet too short to throw away. Well, look around, there's love, love, oh love, love for you and for me and all of us. What we need to see is love, yeah, love, love. It's so easy and all simple, say L-O-V-E, yeah. Yourself, here you are again in your jungle of bitterness. A step forward, falling 3 steps back. What's the use of getting out of bed? Well, you may ask. I guess you're sitting in your valley of no access, hoping to make it to the mountaintop while progress won't be near if you don't start to believe in you. Make that change, here's the mirror now, say I love you. Now look at love, love, oh love, love. It's in you and in me, yeah, in all of us. What we need to see is love, yeah, love, love. It's so easy and so simple, say L-O-V-E. Now look at love, love, oh love, love.
So let's talk of eyes, so let's talk of hands, so let's talk of sand, let's talk of a man, let's talk of understanding every word, let's talk of feet walking side by side, never heard.
Marialva é uma aldeia histórica fantástica e foi por isso o sítio que nos deslumbrou para dar corpo ao projeto das Casas do Coro. E aí nasce o sonho que ao longo destes últimos anos, em conjunto com os nossos 5 filhos, centenas de hóspedes ajudaram a tornar realidade. As Casas do Coro são muito mais que um hotel. São um projeto nada convencional. São amor, família, cultura, história, património e são essencialmente terra. As Casas do Coro são o destino do Douro, da tradição, da gastronomia e do vinho. São o regresso aos valores das origens. O sítio ideal para uma experiência onde Vai sentir a alma que diariamente entregamos a cada detalhe deste projeto de vida, porque gostamos muito daquilo que fazemos.
Venha daí descobrir a magia das Casas do Coro. Estamos aqui para fazer tudo o que estiver ao nosso alcance, no sentido de proporcionar uma estada memorável.
You make me so that